Hi everyone, welcome back to Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm your host, Eric Goettl, and today we're diving into the basics of your home furnace. Ever wonder how it works? Stick around because we've got all the answers. Your furnace is like the heart of your home, especially during those chilly months. It keeps you warm and cozy, but just how does it do that? Well, let's break that down. Inside your furnace, there's a heat exchanger. It's a crucial component that heats up the air. Then, a blower fan pushes the warm air through your ducts, distributing it throughout your home. Furnaces can run on different fuels: gas, electricity, and even oil. In a gas furnace, natural gas is ignited in the burner. This creates a controlled flame that heats the heat exchanger, which in turn warms the air. Now, let's talk control. Your thermostat is like a conductor of an orchestra. It tells your furnace when to turn on and when to turn off. When the temperature in your home drops below the desired setting, the thermostat sends a signal to the furnace to start heating. Once it reaches the set temperature, it tells the furnace to stop. Here's the crucial part. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your furnace running efficiently and safely. Change your air filters regularly, schedule annual professional inspections, and keep the areas around your furnace clean and clutter-free. And don't forget about your ducts. Consider having your ductwork professionally cleaned and sealed correctly to ensure air is efficiently distributed throughout your home. Remember, we're here to help you stay comfortable year-round. If you have any questions or need furnace maintenance, give us a call at Goettl. Thanks for watching.